Many Igbos are suffering as a result of Igbos' lack of leadership, both home and abroad. Igbo lack a good leadership. Today, many Igbos, both online and on the ground, they are afraid of speaking the truth of what is going on in our life, in our land, even in our businesses. A lot of Igbos knows what they are doing to hurt others. A lot of Igbos knows what they are doing to support bad leaders. Ndị ba si na ala dịrọ ma buruguru ndị nze. But mụnwa bụ Ugwu Okechukwu, I am calling all the meaningful Igbo people all over the world. This is not the end. Let this coming 2026 be a year we are going to come together to seek for the progress and development and security of our blessed land. There was one.